Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 13th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2022. Are you a big fan of maple? Well, I got a special treat for y'all. I'm going to share with all of y'all the ultimate maple lovers dessert and perfect for the fall season. We're going to make maple cream pie. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, rich, decadent, and it's going to be full of maple flavor. And we're going to top it with a homemade maple whipped cream. How yummy does that sound? Y'all going to fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my fall baking recipes playlist, my maple dessert recipes playlist, and my previous video, chocolate orange cupcakes. I'll post links to those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your whipped cream, and your maple syrup sugar, because we're about to make some maple cream pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, over here I have my pie crust. I'm using a 9-inch, and this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerated or a frozen pie crust. If using a frozen pie crust, make sure you thaw it out. And I poke some holes in the crust. We're going to pre-bake it. Oven's preheated to 450 degrees. I'm going to let it bake for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to remove it from the oven. I'm going to let it cool completely. And while that's baking, I'm going to get started on the filling. We're going to measure up our maple syrup. We need 3/4 of a cup. I'm using Michelle's maple cream. Perfect. So now I'm going to set my maple syrup aside while I get my other ingredients. In my saucepan, I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to start with 1/2 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk, and our maple syrup. Give it a quick whisk until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in the rest of the evaporated milk. Gradually whisk this in. So that's a total of 1 3/4 of a cup of evaporated milk in the entire recipe. Alright, so now we're going to let this cook until it thickens. Alright my friends, our filling's nice and thick. Now I'm going to reduce my fire to low and let it cook for another 2 minutes. Alright my friends, it's been 2 minutes. So now it's time to add in the eggs. I have 2 large egg yolks that are lightly beaten. And we're going to take a little of the maple filling and add it to the egg yolks. We're going to temper them so that way we don't get scrambled eggs. Give this a quick whisk. Alrighty, our eggs is nice and tempered. Now we're going to pour it into the filling and whisk the eggs in until they're well blended. Alrighty my friends, our filling is good to go. See how nice and thick that is? I love the smell of maple syrup. Alrighty, so now there's a few more things we're going to add to it. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure maple extract. And stir all these together until they're well incorporated and the butter melts. Alright, my friends, the butter has melted. Now we're ready to pour the filling into our cooled pie crust. And then we're going to spread it evenly, real gentle. So now I'm going to place it in the refrigerator and I'm going to let it chill until it's firm. Alright, my friends, our pie is nice and set. Perfect. In my chilled large bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of cold heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of the maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of pure maple extract. And we're going to whip all this together until it reaches stiff white peaks. Or you can use a hand mixer if you like, or your stand mixer with the whip attachment. Alright, my friends, and just that quickly, our maple whipped cream is complete. Now we're ready to add our maple whipped cream. Like so. Then I'm just going to spread it evenly. Real gentle. And over here I have some toasted sliced almonds. We're just going to sprinkle it right on top to give it a little crunch. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Maple cream pie. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm going to cut me up a slice and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends. I cut me up a slice. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. I'm in maple heaven. It's creamy, just melts in your mouth. And I love the little crunch from the almonds. And the crust is nice and buttery. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Maple cream pie, delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.